Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks just to manage a Shopify store? What if you could have a personal AI assistant to handle everything from updating product descriptions to managing orders, all with a simple chat command within the ChatGPT? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ChatGPT and n8n to your Shopify store, turning your chatbot into a powerful e-commerce manager. Stick around because this is going to save you a ton of time. To get started, we will start with a new project on n8n, and then we'll add a MCP node over here, and then we'll connect the Shopify tool with it. And now we'll set up the Shopify credentials, the first step. So over here, what we'll do is click on create new credentials, and we'll choose access token over here, and then we'll go to our Shopify store in the admin panel. Like you can come to here from this section, like settings, and then you can click on apps and sales channel. Over here, you have to click on develop apps, and you will find a way to create a custom legacy app. And then for now, I have named it as n8n. You can name it anything that you want. And then we have to click on configure admin API scopes. Over here, I will select all the access that is required for listing products and orders and analytics as well, but you can select as many as you want. And then I'll click on save. After I'm done with the configuration, what I'll do is I'll go to API credentials, click on install app now, and then I'll click on install. So after I have installed the app within my store, what I'll do is I'll copy this access token from here, put it over here, and then I'll copy the app secret key from like API secret key from here, and then paste it over here instead of in place of app secret key. Then the shop subdomain, what I'll do is I'll just copy this, and then I'll click on save. Yeah, that's done. To check it out, I'll just try to get the product list to make it work. Let's try to do it once again. Yeah, as you can see, I've got all the products. So now we have added one of the tools from Shopify to the MCP server trigger. And now what I'll do is to show you a demo and just go to the like capture the production URL from here and go to ChatGPT, and then I'll configure the tool directly within our ChatGPT so we can have a glimpse. For this, you need to have access to at least the Pro Plus account, and then you can go to settings and then go to apps and connectors, go to advanced settings, and make sure developer mode is toggled on, and then you have to create a new connector. For now, I'll just name it as Shopify tool. I'll just copy paste the URL that I've got from n8n. Authentication, I'll just click on no authentication, and then I'll click on create. So since our tool has been connected, we can okay, it's not, it got an error because I think the workflow is not published. So I'll just save and publish the workflow for now and go to ChatGPT once again and click on create. So as of now, you can see the Shopify tool has been connected. And if you click on this, you will see the supported actions are get many products in Shopify. And now we can ask this to list down products from my store. Although ChatGPT and Claude, both of them support connection of MCP tools, but it seems like in my observations, Claude performs much better. So let's see a demo on Claude as well. So for Claude, you have to go to connectors. You should be again on the $20 plan at least, and then you can create a like add a custom connector. Same over here. I'll do this. Like copy the I'll paste the same URL that I've got from the n8n and then click on add. So once this is added, what I'll do is I will simply go to new chat, and over here I'll just select the tool. Shopify tool is selected, and then list down. I'll ask list down all the products. Um, So as you can see, ChatGPT also got the products, and it is also showing us the image of the product as well at the same time. You will see this can also do the same thing. As you can see, Claude responded in a faster way, but as of now, we'll just focus on ChatGPT. So as you can see, we can list down all the products from the Shopify store, but I'll jump to the next use case. So for example, this tool allows us to get all the products from the Shopify. But what if we want to edit the product description or maybe update the price and so on? So let's go ahead and connect another node, Shopify tool, products, and update. For product ID, I'll just click on this sparkle icon so it can be defined by the model. And similarly, I'll just add a couple of more tools. So since I've added more tools, what I need to do is simply click on save and then go to the ChatGPT once again. And now what I'll do is simply go to the Shopify tool and click on refresh. So as you can see, this has now a couple of more tools available with this. So the next step is to basically disable some of the tools from here. So okay, before we can continue with this, we also need to add some fields that is supported by supported for being updated. For example, if you want to allow the LLM to update the title, you click title and then body HTML and the tags and some of the other fields. For example, product type, or maybe let's remove the product type and let's keep all of these to be defined by the model itself. So now I'll again click on save. since I've updated the tool once again, what I need to do is go to settings, webs and connectors, Shopify tool, and just reload. So it will just reload the definitions of the tools. So we can use that. Yeah, great. So let's start and chat. Okay, so I'll start the new chat and I'll ask the same thing once again. So as you can see, we have this particular product on the store without any description. So maybe what we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to write the relevant description for the product, and let's see how that works. First of all, we need to list the products. So meanwhile, while it is rendering the product, what I can do is I can simply ask ChatGPT to can you increase the description of the product in SEO friendly way. So as you can see, the ChatGPT has updated the description of the product, and let's cross-check the same. Yeah, it did. So this is one of the use case for n8n and Shopify, and this is the power of how MCP works. Like as of now, I have connected the MCP with ChatGPT, but the same thing can be connected to Claude and any other MCP client, which is better. So if you want to see any advanced use case of n8n, Shopify, and MCP, do let me know, and I'll try to look with another video for the same. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.